This video we're going to talk about Additional Math Paper 1 Non-Calculator for May June 2025 Variant number 1. Question number 1. Given PQ -37 and PR -28, find RQ. This vector question tests two concepts. Vector can be represented in an arrow, italic alphabet, or a column vector where I and J component. Now imagine you have a ball and this is you are trying to kick the ball to your friend Sam. Okay, now let's say your point is A and your friend over here is B. Vector is just a language for a movement. Now let's put a grid or Cartesian grid, and I component is how much it has been moving for the x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, going to the right, that would be positive 3i, and we go 1 to the top, that is positive j. So from A to B is 3i plus j. Okay, or I can also write AB equal to 3, 1. Based on the arrow, you should know that for vector, direction matters. Now, let's solve our question. Rewrite RQ equal to RP plus PQ. We were given with PR, but we have 4 in front of PR. To just get PR, we need to isolate 4 and bring it over to that side. Hence, 1 over 4, negative 2, 8. We need RP. Direction matters in vector. If A and B is P, then B to A is negative P. So in our question, RP is the reverse direction of a PR. So RP is negative PR. Hence, we just put negative in front. Now, let's substitute our RP into our equation plus PQ. Let's distribute negative 1 over 4 times negative 2 equal to positive 1 over 2, and negative 1 over 4 times 8, which is equal to negative 2 plus negative 3, 7. 1 over 2 plus minus 3 and negative 2 plus 7. Solving this will give us negative 2.5 and 5. Now let's check the marking scheme. This will give me 1 mark. Another mark is coming from when I understand that it's gonna be in the negative direction, and this is where 1 mark is coming from. Total mark is 2 over 2. Question 1b. A is given in I and J component. B and C is also given. Now we need to rewrite that in C equal to 3A minus 2B. Now let's recap. Component vector can be rewritten in a column vector. We write that in column vector where we separate I component and J component. For C equal to 3, substitute A, which is alpha and 6, minus 2, substitute B, which is 4 and beta. Coefficient in front of a column vector must be distributed to both top and bottom for both 3 and 2. Now we can times 3 alpha, and then 3 times 6 is 18, 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times beta is 2 beta. Now we can compare I component and J component in an equation. 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to 3 alpha minus 8. That's going to be our first equation, and second equation is 20 equal to 18 minus 2 beta. Let's solve for equation number 2 because it's only have one unknown. 20 minus 18 equal to negative 2 beta. 20 minus 18 is equal to 2 equal to negative 2 beta. Now isolate beta on one side. We're going to end up with beta equal to negative 1. When beta is equal to negative 1, substitute that in equation number 1. 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to 3 alpha minus 8. Let's simplify 2 alpha and 3 alpha first. That's negative alpha, and let's substitute beta equal to negative 1 equal to negative 8. Negative alpha will be equal to negative 8 plus 5. Hence alpha is 3. Now let's bring in the marking scheme. When you are able to equate vector I and J component and compare it, that's method 1 mark, which is over here, and getting alpha equal to 3 and beta equal to negative 1, that will give me 2 mark, and total mark would be 3 out of 3.